Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make the wrapped knot. Some people also call it the gathering knot. And what you're going to want to do is the strings used for your project. You're going to gather them all together like this. And then you're going to come and take a second string and you're going to form a loop with it. And you're going to make sure it's pointed upwards. The end of that loop is going to stick up from the rest of where you gather, and then this other part that you don't use in the loop is what you use to wrap. So you take it and you just twist it around, wrapping everything together. And we're going to keep doing this pattern until we have the desired length we want. So you just go until either you start to run out of string or it's however long you want the wrapped knot to be. So once you decide it's long enough, you're going to use the loop that we made and take the end you were wrapping with and put it through that loop. Okay, so it's through the loop, and then you come and you pull on this string that we had that was hanging up. You just keep pulling until everything is smooth and tight. And then to complete your wrap, you just cut off the ends. And that's how you do it. This knot is perfect for starting plant hangers or ending plant hangers. It's good for other projects if you need to tie off the ends. It looks beautiful and it keeps everything straight and neat. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.